हेलो व्यूअर्स, स्वागत है आज के नए सेशन पर। आज का सेशन रहेगा एरिया ऑफ सर्कल। ये वही कंटिन्यूस में रहेगा जो कि एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर का था, उसका लास्ट सेशन बोल सकते हैं। और इसका आज कुछ फॉर्मूला देखेंगे एंड सर्कल के ऊपर कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स को लेके हम आज खत्म करेंगे। सो आज का एरिया ऑफ सर्कल में बोल सकते हैं आप दैट सर्कल का अगर मैं कंप्लीट बाउंड्री को लेके जाऊं, जैसे हम लोग बोल रहे थे स्क्वायर एंड रेक्टेंगल एंड एनी काइंड ऑफ quadrilateral or any kind of polygon we were taking and only the boundary values were being taken, there the perimeter, what was the perimeter for the polygons and all, here the same perimeter is the circumference of the circle. I mean to say that अगर मैं इसके ऊपर बाउंड्री बना लूं, इसके ऊपर कुछ भी बना लूं ये सर्कल के ऊपर, then that will be the perimeter of any other polygon, but here we will term the same thing as circumference. मतलब C equals to, I will write 2 pi r. Now what is r? R is the radius. तो जो भी सेंटर से सर्कल का बाउंड्री को टच करता है, that is called radius. And the line which passes through 2 points of a circle is called chord. What it is called? It is called chord. You can see here this line is passing through 2 points over the circle. Now what happens if the chord is considered? If somebody asks you which one is the largest chord, in that case you will tell that the largest chord is the diameter. Yes, or otherwisely we can say that diameter is the largest chord. I mean to say that diameter is the chord which passes through the center. Now suppose this is D. Now what we can see, this is 1 r, this is 1 r. So D equals to what? R plus r. So D can be written as 2r. This can be considered at this point. Now I can say this is the circumference of the circle. You can say perimeter of the circle. Likewise, if someone asks you to find out the area of the circle, in that case you will say area equals to pi r square. Now one thing I have to say that if nothing has been mentioned in the question, then you always consider pi as 22 by 7. If in the question it has been mentioned that pi is to be taken as 3.14, in that case only you will be considering it as pi equals to 3.14. आप तभी only 3.14 उसको consider करेंगे. Unless and otherwise you will be considering, by default you have to consider it as 22 by 7 as per our mathematics. So area of the circle is pi r square. Now what do you mean by this area? This complete part is the area. Suppose someone is asking you to find out the lawn. This circle field has been there and you have to find out the lawn area. In that case you have to put this formula pi r square and you have to find out. Now suppose a question is like this. I have to change the color so that you can see it. यहाँ पे एक सर्कल ऐसे रहा और बीच में और एक सर्कल ऐसे रहा. Now someone asks you to find out this area, this shaded part. अभी क्या करेंगे? हमको क्या पता है, ये जो आउटर एरिया है, आउटर एरिया सर्कल का, उसको लेंगे माइनस इनर एरिया लेंगे. So I can say shaded area will be shaded portion area equals to, आप बोल सकते हैं आउटर सर्कल एरिया माइनस इनर सर्कल एरिया. सो अगर यहां पे मैं आउटर सर्कल को लूं बड़ा एंड इनर सर्कल को लूं छोटा, तो आई विल बी कंसीडरिंग दिस हियर. मैं ले सकता हूं दिस वन एज कैपिटल आर, जो कि आउटर सर्कल का रेडियस, एंड इनर सर्कल का रेडियस को आई कैन कंसीडर एज स्मॉल आर. So if at all I have to find the area of this shaded portion, then I have to do outer circle area pi r square minus inner circle area pi small r square. So you can see here pi can be taken common, r square minus r square. It may be a question like find out the area of the ring. It is a kind of ring, no? A ring. Find out the area of the path which has to be constructed outside of this well. If suppose the question is a well and you have to find out the path which has to be formed, which have to be constructed, which has to be constructed outside of this well, in that case what we will be doing? We have to again find out this area which will be subtracted from the bigger area, then only we can calculate the area of the path comfortably. Now this width is same, this is called thickness, this you can say as thickness. तो यहाँ पे आप इसको width बोल सकते हैं, आप इसको thickness बोल सकते हैं, anything as per the question. Now this is the area and perimeter. Again, if someone asks you, you can say this one is the 2 pi r for the outer perimeter, 2 pi r for the inner perimeter. Likewise, we can find out. Now we will be solving some of the problems. We will be implementing. Now one more thing I will be saying here. Suppose until now we have found out the area perimeter of a circle. If the question comes for a semicircle, what will be done? Semi means what? Semi circle. Semi means half. Half of circle. Suppose it is pi r square, half of area. That means pi r square by 2. Suppose it is, you can say, perimeter of semicircle. If you need to find out, then here you have to do. This one is what? This is 2 pi r by 2. This is the radius plus this r plus this r. This is the complete boundary. So in this case, you have to tell pi r plus 2r. Suppose this is capital R. Now I can take common pi. It will be r plus 2. This is the perimeter of a semicircle with boundary, with diameter. That's what you can consider. Perimeter of the semicircle with diameter. Whatever may be the semicircle, and it is, you suppose it is sitting over the diameter. Then in that case, this outside circle will be considered. Along with that, we have to consider the diameter of the semicircle. That's what is the meaning. So with this, I can conclude that आप इसको पॉज करके आप कंप्लीटली इसको whatever has been written you can write and summarize. So we'll be implementing some of these concepts in our next problems, numericals. So इसी के साथ आप पॉज करके इसको लिखिए. मैं कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स लेता हूँ. ये भी जो भी न्यूमेरिकल मैं लूँगा अभी उसको गोयल पब्लिकेशन की बुक से ही लेंगे, which has been made for ICSE class 8, 9th students. So आप इसमें एक चीज कंसिडर कर सकते हैं that this formula is not going to change for CBSE or ICSE or any state medium. This is only what I am trying to tell. Whatever problem I am considering is from the ICSE book. That's all, nothing else. So here we can say I am going to take some problem. That suppose this one is the problem. Here in this problem it has been given a circle whose this diameter is given 21 meter. 21 meter. Now another circle is given, semicircle, this part, it is given 10.5 meter. Likewise this semicircle is given whose diameter is given 10.5 meter. Now I have to find out this area. I have to find out this area. This part I have to find out. So we can find it. For that purpose, what will we do? This is the complete diameter. So here you can take this one as bigger D. 21, so r equals to 21 by 2 equals to 10.5 meter. You can take for diameter and radius. Now for this part it is already given small d. Suppose small d is given 10.5 meter. Now from there we have to find out the radius. For that we have to divide it by 2. 10.5 divided by 2, it is 5.25 meter. Now one thing I can say you here, that If at all you have to find out this part, one thing you can do, either आप इसको एक सेमी सर्कल का निकालिए एरिया and you multiply with it 2, or आप simply you can find it out as एक सर्कल ऐसे है, दूसरा सर्कल अंदर में ऐसे है जिसका ऑलरेडी डायमीटर दिया हुआ है 10.5 and outer diameter has been given as 21 meter. So आप इसका एरिया निकालना जो, इसका एरिया निकालना वो. So we can comfortably find out like putting the formula area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion equals to pi r square, that is 10.5 square minus I can take 5.25 square. Now this is 22 by 7, as I told, unless and until it has been mentioned in the question, you have to find out, or you have to consider this as 22 by 7. So if you will solve this one, you will get some value like 22, it is you have to multiply and you have to take the value. It is something, it will come like 82.6, likewise it will be there. And if you will take the value, right, if you will do 6875 and if you will solve this one, so finally the answer will be in square meter. You find out this answer pausing the video and you will be able to get the answer. It will be roughly 259 point something. This is the area, complete area of this kind of problem. So either this problem is given in this way or in this way, both are same. Only thing is what, we have to relate the problem. This problem easily we can find out, but this one may bring some kind of confusion. For that purpose, this one is related to this one because here 10.5 is the diameter, here also the diameter is 10.5. That's why. So comfortably we can find it out. I'll be going for a second problem, so you can pause it and solve it. I would request all board students, CBSE, ICSE, they can follow these kinds of problems. They can go for more problems from the book, but concepts are same whenever or wherever they read. Next problem एक लेते हैं अभी इसमें. Suppose the question is, yes, it is a bit different kind of problem. The figure is, you can draw this figure as well. This is figure where it has been mentioned as 50 meter. This has been mentioned as 21 meter, and here one semicircle is there, another semicircle is there. This width has been mentioned as 3.5 meter, so I can take this width which is uniform, 3.5 meter as well. Now this is 21 meter. Again in this side it has been mentioned like this. Now the question is to find out the area of this part. This part. It is not working. चल नहीं रहा है. Anyway, so I can write it as, this is the shaded portion from where we can find it. So आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. आप देखिए यहाँ पे ध्यान से. This is the center, suppose this is the center C. Now I can write, I have to keep this black pen, otherwise it is going to disturb. So इसको अगर मैं center लूँ, so this one will be 10.5. For that let me do bigger circle का ले लेते हैं. छोटा circle का radius equals to 10.5. Let me find out the, so r equals to, it is coming 10.5. Let us find out the area, the radius of bigger side. It is d by 2. D is 21. ये यहाँ से 21 है, ये भी 3.5 है एंड ये साइड में भी 3.5 है. So I can write it as like this too. So radius will be 21 plus 7, 28 by 2. It is 14 centimeter. It is in meter. You have to mark the unit meter. So अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, इसको आप थोड़ा सा अगर ध्यान देंगे, मैं इसको एक पार्ट कर लूंगा. ये साइड में भी वही पार्ट है. Now suppose I find this area, I will double it. Simply I will double it. Nothing has to be done. मैं फिर क्या करूंगा, ये एक रेक्टेंगल है, आप इसको देख सकते हैं, ये 50 मीटर है और ये width has been given 3.5. ये मैं एक रेक्टेंगल का निकालूंगा, then I will simply double it. Now let us solve this kind of problem. Suppose यहां पे कितना दिया है, एक एरिया निकालेंगे हम लोग 2, दोनों साइड के लिए मैं 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दे रहा हूं कंप्लीटली. 2 into pi r square, capital R square by 2. Why by 2 has been done? क्योंकि मैं सेमी सर्कल के लिए निकाल रहा हूँ, ये पार्ट के लिए निकाल रहा हूँ. सपोज ये पार्ट 1 है, मैं ये पार्ट 1 ये पार्ट 1, दोनों को पार्ट 1 करके मैं ट्वाइस मल्टीप्लाई किया हूँ दिस साइड में. फिर माइनस, उससे क्या माइनस करूंगा, पाई स्मॉल r स्क्वायर बाई 2. अभी मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, 2 को अगर कॉमन लेके मैं सॉल्व करने जाऊं, आई विल गेट पाई चला गया बाहर, r इज गिवन 14 स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल r इज गिवन 10.5 स्क्वायर. सो अगर पाई का वैल्यू 22/7 वी पुट 22/7 एंड दिस वी सॉल्व, roughly the answer will be 350. I have already solved this one. Only the thing is what I am here to only give you the concept so that you are going to solve it again. Next, आप अगर अभी इसका एरिया और इसका एरिया आपको मिल गया, ये साइड का पार्ट 1. So part 1 का एरिया is this part. You can write this one in square meter or meter square. Next we will find out the area of second part. Second part is what? It is the second part. It is a rectangle, as simple as a rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. So length will be 50 into 3.5. If you are going to multiply this, you will get, and twice you have to do, twice. It will be 350. I have made a mistake here. This is not 350. If you will solve this one will be roughly 269.5. 269.5. Now, this is the area of rectangle in meter square. This is 269.5 meter square is the area of this semicircle part. Now, you have to add it. If you will add up, it will be the complete area of this part. 0.5916 meter square. It is 619.5 meter square. So finally the shaded portion is 619.5 meter square. This is how it can be found out. We'll be doing a last problem over this topic. Until then आप इसको pause करके लिख सकते हैं. And मैं तब तक ये साइड में डायग्राम कर लेता हूँ. एक क्वेश्चन has been given, एक स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है ऐसे, and you can find it. Third question, एक स्क्वायर, this is a square and these are the semicircles. These are the semicircles. अभी बोल दिया है एक final one thing has been written as it is 42 meter. This side to this side it is given 42 meter. Now you can see here that there are 3 parts. There are 3 parts over here. So यहाँ पे क्या क्या 3 पार्ट है? आप स्क्वायर में एक चीज कंसीडर कर सकते हैं कि ये जो साइड होता है वो स्क्वायर में सब साइड समान रहता है. सपोज दिस साइड इज ए, तो आप देखिए ये ए है, तो ये क्या बना है सेमी सर्कल का, ये ए है, तो स्क्वायर में सब साइड ए रहता है, साइड समान रहता है, इसलिए आई हैव कंसीडर्ड इट एज ए. तो अगर मैं डायमीटर को ए कंसीडर किया हूं तो ये कितना रेडियस होगा? रेडियस इसका होगा a/2. सो दिस साइड विल बी a by 2, दिस साइड विल बी a by 2. मैं यहाँ पे क्या ले सकता हूँ, a by 2, ये साइड में ले सकता हूँ a by 2. Now complete this section is given 42. I can write a by 2 plus this a plus a by 2 equals to 42 मीटर. तो अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, a को सॉल्व करूंगा. जैसे ही a को वैल्यू निकालेंगे, it will be 2a plus 2a plus a equals to 42. It is a equals to 21 meter. As the unit is in meter, so I got, ये इसका एरिया मेरे को कितना मिला, 21 मीटर मिल गया. अभी आप इसको कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. देखिए मैं बोल दिया ये पार्ट 1, अगर पार्ट 1 है, ये पार्ट 1 सेमी सर्कल है, ये भी पार्ट 1 सेमी सर्कल है, पार्ट 1 सेमी सर्कल है, पार्ट 2 स्क्वायर है. तो मैं इसको कैसे ऐड कर सकता हूं, पार्ट 1 का एरिया निकालूंगा प्लस पार्ट 2 का एरिया निकालूंगा. अभी पार्ट 2 का एरिया कंफर्टेबली निकल जा रहा है. क्या है, पार्ट 2 मेरा रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर है. सो मैं यहां पे क्या कर सकता हूं, साइड इनटू साइड ए स्क्वायर, ये मेरा एरिया रहा क्या, पार्ट 2 के लिए. लेकिन पार्ट 1 के लिए क्या है, सेमी सर्कल है, 4 तो सेमी सर्कल है. कितना सेमी सर्कल है, 1 2 3 4. आई एम कंसीडरिंग दिस एज 4. अभी सेमी सर्कल का एरिया क्या होता है, पाई आर स्क्वायर, पाई आर. आर आपका कितना है, a by 2. मैं यहां पे लिख लेता हूं, r equals to a by 2. सो पाई आर स्क्वायर, r हुआ आपका a by 2 का स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. क्यों, सर्कल का हुआ पाई आर स्क्वायर, सेमी सर्कल का डिवाइडेड बाय 2. यहां पे ये कट जाएगा, 2 रहा. So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into a का वैल्यू 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. a का वैल्यू हमारा कितना आया है, 21 आया है. जस्ट पुट कर दिए यहाँ पे और ये साइड को सॉल्व करेंगे. प्लस a का स्क्वायर, a is 21 into 21. अभी इसको अगर सॉल्व कर लें 3, और अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करने जाएं, आपको रफली ये वैल्यू मिलने वाला है, 21 into 21 is 441 मीटर स्क्वायर. आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 21 into 22. मैं इसको चूंकि सॉल्व कर चुका हूं, सो आई कैन कंप्लीटली राइट इट कंफर्टेबली 693. अब ये पार्ट जितना एरिया ये हो गए 693 मिला के. और मैं इसमें क्या करूंगा, पार्ट 1 का पार्ट है, एरिया है 693, पार्ट 2 का एरिया है 441. सिंपली इसको ऐड अप कर लेंगे, 693 प्लस 441, 4 3 11. It is 1134 meter square. This is how we can solve the area, this kind of problem. Here it was asked to find out the complete area of this section. That's it. It may be any kind of problem. You need not to get confused. You only have to follow the basics. Like you have to first draw the diagram, rough diagram. If at all it is possible, then draw the main diagram and try to analyze. Then you will always see, you will find एक ऐसे स्क्वायर हो सकता है, एक ऐसे सेमी सर्कल हो सकता है, it may be a circle, it may be any kind of polygon. So आप मेरा पॉलीगन्स वाला वीडियो रेगुलर इरेगुलर पॉलीगन्स के लिए भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं. सो इसी के साथ दोस्तों हम लोग मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सेशन में, नए टॉपिक के साथ में मिलूंगा. थैंक यू.